Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a little like brown smoky eye using this Kosas Cosmetics liquid eyeshadow in the shade Globe. I think it gives a super pretty bronzed look, and this was so easy to do. Like literally just a couple eyeshadows, threw it all together, and it turned out really pretty, I think. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to watch this. Alright guys, here's the completed look as you saw in the beginning. I just love a super like bronzy eye for fall, but that's still bright and pops because I don't want it to like wash out my face and just look like too much. So yeah, this was a super simple tutorial and I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!